Be honest. At times, as a Hebrew Israelite, do you feel alone? I know I did. Fam, when I first came into the truth, when I received knowledge of self as an Israelite, I told my family and I told my friends. As a result, I lost friends. I received pushback from my family. My family, they think that I'm in a cult. Have you ever heard that before? Has anyone said to you that you are in a cult because you embrace your Israelite heritage? The awakening can be lonely. It's important that we reach out to like-minded people. We reach out to our family. And we can do that, family, through the internet, through social media. I had to do so. Why? Because in my area, my wife and I were the only Israelites in that area. Let me share with you a scripture. This is from Psalms 68, verse 6. Psalm 68, verse 6. Elohim setteth the solitary, the lonely. Elohim setteth the solitary, lonely in families. He bringeth out those which are bound with chains. But the rebellious dwell in a dry land. You do not have to walk in this journey alone. We, as a family, we are spread out through the four corners of the world. And through technology, we can come together as a family. That's right. That's right. We all need encouragement. We all need edification. This is going to sound corny, but I'm going to say it anyway. We all need friendship. We do. I hope that you do not walk in this journey alone. As an Israelite, I hope that you do not walk out your faith alone. Speaking about the corny quote, I'm going to give one. Teamwork make a, that's right. Teamwork make a dream work. As the children of Yah, we have to come together. That's right, family. Before I exit out this video, I encourage you to connect with Hebrew Israelites throughout the world. You do not have to be by yourself. With the internet, social media, we don't have an excuse. I encourage you, when this video ends, to subscribe to other Israelites channel through YouTube, IG, TikTok, etc., etc. Feel free to connect with me. Fam, if you have questions about the awakening, feel free to ask me. If you would like to come on the live, I like to go live. I like to have live streams. If you like to come on the panel, if you like to interact in the chat, feel free to join my live streams, fam. On the Shabbat day, if you would like to keep the Shabbat with other Israelites, you can do so. We keep the Shabbat here. We keep the Shabbat here on this channel. Feel free to reach out to me, family. Let's not walk out this journey alone. All praises to our great King.